Alright, in this session, we want to see how we can reset our ArchLinux root password when you are not able to sign on. So, power on the lab. Initially, if you were having that issue password incorrect, you were supposed to power off the lab. Now power it on again. So at the point of powering it on, you locate the alphabet on your keyboard, which is the E, and tap it at once. Once it's booting like this, so at this point here, tap the E, and then it enters into the grub. That's the GUN grub. So go to this line that has the Linux, this line here, and then move forward here, and then modify the boot files. So here we are going to modify this boot file. So it's currently on read only. So I'm going to change it to read and write, and then move this forward. So it all depends on where you want to put it. You can put it anywhere, it doesn't matter. So I will write a command init equal to /bin/bash. That's all. And then you press Ctrl X to load it. So it's going to reboot. So let's see. So here we are. So it's saying root in bracket none colon slash then the hash. So in this case now, what are we supposed to do here? We are supposed to actually remount. We are supposed to remount the system files. So how do we do that? You just say mount and remount. Type in mount space remount space, and then this is the remote section, so the mouse is really not, or the keyboard is not really not responding well. So mount space, oh jeez, also done, the keyboard is not responding well. Mount just a moment, mount space -0 -o space remount, and then comma space, and then read write space /. So hit enter. Let's see what happens. So that's it. So now we issue a command password as wd, and then you're supposed to reset the root password. So in this case, if you want to reset the root password, just say pass wd root and then hit enter. So it prompts you to change the root password. So in this case, you can enter your root password that you want, then hit enter, reconfirm the password, hit enter. So the root password has been successfully changed. So the next thing to do, you can do exe space you can either use you can use sudo to do that as well. So we've done that now, but we are now trying to synchronize the files again. So are you with me? Okay, give me a moment. So we've done the reset. We are trying to synchronize the file now. So we can simply use, so you've seen the commands that I've run so far. So when you are done, you can either do a reboot, or you do execution / and then system bin / again the init. So should this fail, we can use reboot space -f as well. So that's okay. So it's rebooting. Let's see. So we should be able to log in now when it comes up. So let's try it again using the other user login details that we normally use, and see if it grants us access this time around. So it's still not going. So let's log in with the root password that we just changed and see what happens. So once we successfully log in with the root password, we can go ahead and change the other one. So that is it. So we've successfully reset our Kali's root password, and from here now we'll go ahead and reset all other passwords for the users that we've had. So see how that goes, and I'm sure you're learning from here. So you have your Kali back. Congratulations. So here we go. Open a terminal. So when you open a terminal, you notice that you are logging in as root. So if you check who am I, if you use who am I to check who am I, hit enter. So you know that you are what? The root user. Are you following? So in this case now, we need to reset the normal Kali that you are using. So we say password, passwd, and then the username is what? Kali. So hit enter. So here the password, enter the password for the Kali normally use, enter the password again. So we've successfully done a reset for the Kali. So to log in with the Kali to test, all right, you can do sudo, or you can just do su space hyphen, sorry, su hyphen Kali. Let's see if that works. Sorry, su Kali. So that is it. Sorry that I've been having keyboard issues. So here it's asking for the password. So we want to find out if you can authenticate to our Kali from here. It says, so you can see that the reason for all that issues, the reason was because of the corrupt file that you heard earlier. So that is it. So this is your Kali. You've successfully logged into your Kali. So it's saying that this file is corrupt. So now this is another issue for us to resolve.